Are you one of those founders who is brilliant when it comes to identifying a gap in the market, figuring out how to address it, understanding all the technical intricacies of this new solution, but at the same time, completely clueless when it comes to figuring out how to best monetize your product or how you should go about financing it? Well, you're not alone. Out of 565,000 startups launched every year, only less than 3% receive outside financing. And one of the main reasons why is that startup founders lack defensible financials and a credible valuation. They don't communicate effectively with investors why their business is financially feasible or how they're going to achieve their revenue goals. My name is Victoria Yampolsky, and I'm the president and founder of the Startup Station, where we model and value your early stage ventures, often at the pre-revenue stage. We work with founders like you to help you translate your strategy, your vision, into a financial plan, evaluate the financial feasibility of your business model, identify business drivers or levers that you can pull to make your business more financially sound, and finally formulate key metrics that you can look at to figure out which parts of your strategy are working and which need to be adjusted as you go to market. We help in 3 ways. We consult one-on-one, we teach online and in person, and we provide free resources for beginners. You can start today by signing up to our mailing list, and we'll send you a coupon for our business model analysis roadmap, which is a guide for creating credible financial model assumptions. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.